division. We start calling our mythical pod. Our point guard. Number 0, Petrona from PBLC. PBLC Team A. The trophies will be awarded to Teresa Tugo. She's President of Filipino Community in Australia. Next one. For number 2 position, as a shooting guard, number 3, Triggerman, Soleta from Arano. The Triggerman. Madami po pinatawag na Triggerman kanina yan. Congratulations. And next, number 18 from Alanati, Barocha. Yan po ang ating number 3 position, small forward. And then the next one, our power forward position, number 4, from PBLC, number 14, Francisco. Okay? And the last, the tallest the tallest for the team. The center, best center for U13. Mythical Pod, the number 13 from PBLC, the brother Francisco. Congratulations, boys. And the MVP goes to number 0, Petrona from PBLC. He's the scoring machine. 13 years old. Advanced after birthday in 2 weeks. Okay, Lakon, can you guys forward? And we're gonna take a picture for all mythical pod. That is our mythical pod for U13 division. Okay? Thank you, boys. Congratulations. And now, for U13. Stay there. U13 first runner-up. May we call on from Alano City, Halifax. U13, congratulations.
Come on, there you go. You stand there first, stand there. Take the picture. border. Oh. Locker.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Back to back. The number 2, Pedronan again from PBOC. Pedronan, PBOC. You played 2 teams, so you got 2 awards. And the trophy will be awarded by Sir Christian Pangilinan with the Subway gift card. Next year, doon pa naman sa'yo 15. 15 na yan next week eh. And now, the number 2 position, shooting guard, number 5, from Alano City, Atienza. Yael Atienza, congratulations, Marie. Thank you. And the small forward position from PBOC team, number 11, Javier. Under 15 division po yan. Next one, power forward from Alano State, number 23, De La Cruz. Next award for Mythical Park, Best Center, number 25 from Alano State. Ay, center naman tayo. Ay, center na. Pwede. Okay, congratulations for the Mythical Park for under 15 division. Let's take a picture for everyone, Marie, on the Mythical Park. Okay, one more. Before I forget, President of the Mythical Park, our MVP for under 15 division from Alano's team, of course, champion. MVP number 5, Atienza. Lahat po ng MVP natin ay magagaling sa champion para po alam nila. Para fair. Kasi nagpakahirap siya. Pag-champion na ulo. Automatic. Para sa alam po ng MVP na magagaling sa first or second round, malibang po may season league. Pero tournament, matik yan. Okay, take a picture right now. Thank you. Thank you guys. The champion team. Jalise and Teresa Tugo and our Christian Pangilinan. Guys, picture muna, picture. Go, center na. Go, take a picture, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, boys, coaches.